Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn any photo into a cartoon using ChatGPT and AI imaging tool. No experience needed. We will go step by step and explore the different cartoon styles that you can create, from Pixar style to comic book or digital flat art and even AI portraits. Amazing. I mean, you don't have to have all these apps on your phone anymore. Now you can do it all with ChatGPT. Well, the first step is to make sure that your picture is clear, so ChatGPT will be able to work on it. And the first step is to download the picture. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna go to our sign plus. Over here, we're gonna click, we're gonna add a photo. And in this case, I'm gonna choose my mother's daughter's picture. I'm gonna upload it. And I'm going to use a Pixar style to be the first example. Create a cartoon. Pixar. Voila! Here we are. A soft lining, big eyes, cinematic animated feel, great for fan avatars and social media profiles. Amazing for my Facebook page, my WhatsApp photo. Next type of picture that you can do with ChatGPT is comic book style. So we're gonna upload the picture. I'm gonna use the same picture to see the difference. And we're gonna create a comic book fan style cartoon. Voila! This is a comic style cartoon where you can see high contrast, bold lines, dramatic shading, look like a marble or a CD comic panel. It is a nice picture. Can you see the difference? Let me show you between this one and the other one. Here we are. This one looks much nicer, right? Well, it depends on what you like. On my case, I think I like this one better, which is a Pixar style. Let's do another one. Let's upload our picture that we're gonna use, and I'm gonna use the same picture, and we're gonna choose the style of sketch animate. So create a sketch fan animated cartoon. Voila! Sketch animate style is based on pencil or ink strokes, sometimes grayscale, best for dramatic or artsy portraits. It's pretty neat. Now we can see the difference between the different cartoons. And now I am between the Pixar and the sketch animated. So let's do the next one. And the reason I'm showing you all these pictures is that we have so many media platforms: WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, TikTok, and this is a great idea so you can use different type of pictures on your media. The next one we're gonna work is digital flat cartoon. Create a digital flat cartoon. Funny. Make it funny. No, it's alright. Just like that. Make it. I like everything funny. I love to laugh. And voila! Digital flat cartoon. Pretty colorful, clean, modern, thin flat with bright uniform block colors. As you can see, it has. You know what? This reminds me to some cartoons in Mexico. El Chavo del Ocho. They use this type of digital flat cartoons, so we can see the difference. You know what? Pixar is still my favorite. Next, let's do AI portrait. So let's upload a picture. And AI portrait. Feels like a mix of real and animated. You will be surprised of how sharp these come out. Very nice, very neat for AI portraits. So, tell me which one did you like? You can add in your comments, so just think about it. Which one will you prefer? Once you create this image, you can change the background. You don't have to keep this background. Let's do only one example, all right? So we're gonna change the background. Change the background to Hawaii. Let's see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your creative friends. And if you want to change your media photo for Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, you name it, ChatGPT is your best friend. You can cartoonify any picture, your dog, your friend, your house, you name it, what your heart desires. Have a great day. Bye. Hope you like it.